Hey everyone, if you want to learn more effectively while watching YouTube videos, Glasp can help you save important ideas and organize your learning. In this video, I'll show you how to use Glasp with YouTube step by step. First, sign in to your Glasp account and make sure the Glasp browser extension is installed in your browser. Once everything is set up, open the YouTube video you want to watch. Next, if the video has a transcript available, open it. Glasp works best with supported transcripts, allowing you to highlight important sentences as you follow along with the video. Now select the text you want to save from the transcript and click the Glasp highlight button. Your highlight will automatically be saved to your Glasp library for future reference. After saving a highlight, you can add a note with your own thoughts, key takeaways, or reminders. This makes it much easier to review what you've learned later. To stay organized, use tags or collections whenever they're available. This helps you group highlights from different YouTube videos by topic, course, or project. Whenever you want to review your learning, simply open your Glasp library. You'll find all of your YouTube highlights and notes in one place, where you can search, edit, or export them if supported. And that's it. Now you know how to use Glasp with YouTube to save important moments and organize your learning more efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.